Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. Welcome back to the channel. Have you thought about making something, the hydrosol, it can bring the fruit scent with it. If you love strawberry, if you love the strawberry scent, and you can make strawberry hydrosol from just whole strawberry fruit. Isn't that interesting? And meantime, you can also make a strawberry juice, so you can have the full benefits of the strawberry, not only for your tummy but also for your skin. So this video is going to show you how to make the strawberry hydrosol and by using ADI. Before I go to the details, show you how to make the strawberry hydrosol, answer the question from an audience. He asked his essential oil separator has a leaking as a valve, how to solve it, and this will explain you how to fix it very easily. I had a question from an audience ask about if they have a dripping here, like you see now, like even when you close the valve. It's pretty simple. There is a nut here, you just tighten it, because there is its O-ring on each side. So when you tighten it, then the dripping will stop. Just like what you see now. So it's very simple. Just don't over tighten it, because otherwise it make you really hard to twist the valve and open it. So just tighten it until you don't see the leak. I have a 20 strawberry, just cut into 4 pieces. That's pretty good. So here is a tip. You can do the steam distillation just by leaving the strawberry in the herb basket. But if you want a stronger, like after you filled up the basket, but you still want to make stronger, you can add a portion of them into the pot after you have the water in it. So for these 20 pieces, I'm gonna have 5 of them in the water. Pretty easy, just drop in. You will see after the distillation there will be a surprise. So you always try to find the best, herb or fruit you can find. If you grow, that's definitely the best. Or you just buy the best quality strawberry. The rest I'm gonna put on the herb basket. So this is like you're adding more, the herbs or fruit for the hydrosol making, so that can make you a stronger hydrosol. Just cover all the holes on the herb basket, so just reduce, the escape the steam. The goal is we want the steam pass through the herb, so it can carry the good stuff from the herb rather than just making a distilled water. Just evenly let them spread on the basket, and you can of course you can add more, but that's all I have. But you can add more strawberry. Okay, the hydrosol make is done. I want to show you what I have here. Still pretty hot. It's interesting, you see the strawberry already too hot. So this is how you use the handle. And look at this. Lovely red strawberry juice. So this is a lovely strawberry juice. I gotta put in the fridge and drink it. And I also can use this to make some ice cubes for, just adding the flavor in the cold drinks. It's wonderful. The strawberry hydrosol brings like the strawberry lovely scent, and it can be used as a skin toner or moisturizer. It's perfect companion, when you are travel, especially if you love the strawberry scent. And this is a wonderful, gift for you. And also because we made the strawberry juice, it's like a win-win situation. So we have a juice from the strawberry, and also we have the hydrosol brings the strawberry scent. There are many options, for you to explore, including try all kinds of different fruits, different plant materials. Fruit hydrosol is a very interesting topic. I have shown you before how to make a pineapple hydrosol by using the pineapple peel and the core. Just kind of like a fruit waste, change that into a very fragrant and lovely pineapple hydrosol. And in this video, I show you how to make the strawberry hydrosol. Meantime, you can make your strawberry juice. Isn't that lovely? So ADI bring you a lot of opportunities because so easy to operate, and you can make your juice, hydrosol, and even infuse the honey, infuse oil, all kinds of herbal extractions by using just one machine, automatic operated machine. And another good feature is all the material used in the machine when they touching the food or the herb, they are past the FDA test. So they are safe to use. So you can have no worry to use ADI for making your hydrosol and the juice and all kinds of things you like. If you love this video about making the strawberry juice and hydrosol, please like it, share the video, leave the question in the comments, and subscribe to the channel, become a member. This is Dr. Liu. See you next time.